Good morning, children. I'm your English teacher, Mrs. Minike Das, presenting here a small video on the poem While. This is the 7th lesson of your English textbook. Please watch it and learn it. First of all, let's look at the new words. Curious, C-U-R-I-O-U-S, curious. L-E-A-D, lead. M-A-R-B-L-E, marble. S-I-N-K, sink. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. R-E-A-S-O-N, reason. Look at the pictures. You can see the curious girl here. You can see marble here. Look at the other pictures. You can see lead pencil and clouds floating in the sky. Now let's learn the word meaning. Curious, curious, eager or anxious. By the by, incidentally. Marble, a hard form of stone, used for flooring purpose. Lead, a heavy grey metal, used in pencil. Sink, immerse completely. Cross, pass. Hard, difficult. Reason, cause. Let's recite the first stanza of the poem. I know a curious little boy who always asking why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why, by the why. Look at the picture. In this picture, you can see a boy thinking something. He has so many why questions in his mind. He is thinking, he is a curious boy. Second stanza of the poem. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, why we eat and drink. Look at the pictures. You can see a small girl eating. You can see the bright sun shining. And you can see a lady drinking water. You can see lead. You can see marble. Seeing this boy is thinking so many things. Why these things? Some things float and why some of the things sink. Why do we eat? Why do we drink? Look at the third stanza. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Look at the picture. You can see hills, you can see clouds moving, you can see flowers, you can see the sun behind the hills. That seeing this, the child has so many questions in his mind. Why flowers die? Why sun sinks behind the hills? Why clouds cross in the sky? What makes cloud? He has so many why questions in his mind because he is a curious boy. He wants to know the reason. Look at the fourth stanza. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Answer to these questions are not too hard. If you think and try, you will get the answers easily. The poet is asking you to think. The poet wants to tell you something. Let's see the summary of the poem. In this poem, the poet tells us about a young boy who is always curious to know about something. He keeps on asking why sun sinks, why clouds are formed, Why do clouds move away? Why wood swims or floats and marble sinks? Some of these questions are easy and some are difficult. Words that describe the quality of a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. Curious boy. How is the boy? Curious. What is the adjective here? Curious. Smart girl. How is the girl? Smart. Pretty woman. How is the woman? Pretty. Small house. How is the house? Small. Tall man or short man. How is the man? Tall or short. Shady tree. How is the tree? Shady. So which are the adjectives here? Curious, smart, pretty, small, tall, shady. They are the describing words called adjectives. Make correct words from jumbled ones. See the exercise. Jumbled words are given and you have to make correct words. Try the same with more words. Children, do this activity. Take 10 things which are available at home and drop them in a bucket of water. Observe what happens to them. Write them under 2 columns, 2 categories. Things sink in water, things float in water. Do this activity and draw a line in your copy and write your observations. Thank you. Enjoy doing this activity.